This is the Shanghai Culture Square. This theater seats about 1,900 people, and we have arrived early because tonight there's going to be something really special happening. It's the premiere of 在远方, the original musical On the Road. On the Road started out as a Chinese TV show about parcel delivery people, broadcast in 2019. A year later, just when the pandemic struck and the whole world relied on courier drivers more than ever, a musical adaptation of the series hit the stage. The musical is a tribute to the long hours, hard work, and dedication of the delivery couriers. Yet for some, it's also the beginning of a better life. This homegrown musical hit the mark, becoming a sell-out show across China. Now Shanghai is next on the list for the cast to take by storm. The story follows the dramatic fortunes of a deliveryman, Yao Yuan, over a 20-year period starting in the late 90s. In this touching flashback, Yao Yuan remembers how his beloved uncle, Er Shu, adopted him after he was orphaned as a young child.
从今以后，不管你到哪儿，我都跟着你。不是过来人，你常说的那句话，我还记得。
The lead is played by rising young star Ayanga. His story is remarkably similar to that of his character. Born in remote Inner Mongolia, his parents were shepherds, but he was an orphan by the age of 7. His one consolation was singing, and his only audience, the sheep he looked after. Eventually, he too followed his dream to be a performer and took his chance in the big city.
我刚开始来北京的时候也是住在地下室，然后虽然不是干的快递，但是那个时候也是在舞台上跳舞。我以前在北京的一个饭店打工，就底下人吃饭，我在上面给大家哈哈哈跳舞。我那个时候就是这样的，就不太会讲汉语的，一个字可能还有别的意思对，所以确实是难。当时我也很艰苦的每天读报纸啊，然后跟着新闻。 连读也不知道他在讲什么，然后就读着，一天一天读着，就是有一些进步吧。因为今天包括我在这台上说这么多台词，知道我以前的水平的我的朋友们很惊讶，看完了以后，你是怎么背下来的？关键你背下来，你还能说的还挺清楚，然后觉得很自豪啊，觉得努力没有白费，对。
Ayanga's big break came in 2018 when he won the talent show Super Vocal, and now he's one of the biggest musical stars in the country with 5 million followers on social media. Not only is Ayanga the star of On the Road, what's more, he even had a hand in writing some of the songs. One of the most memorable is this 90s style rap sung in his native Mongolian.
蒙古国的 rap 是几十年前就已经是很鼎盛的。 对亚洲可以说是我都可以说是 number one。
He also had a hand in writing the theme tune, Where the Far Side Is.
我觉得，首先这个音乐剧更多的是激励人啊，每个人都在这样的社会环境当中，都有一个奋斗史，从什么都没有开始为了追寻自己的梦想，它是一个小人物的一个成长史，所以看到我们身边有很多这样的影子，我觉得这个戏就是在寻求我们每个人心中的那个追梦的那个很傻的那个样子。